welcome to American Baker in Germany, where the ingredients are German and the baker is American. I'm Michelle, and today we are making a buttercream Christmas cake, piped this time. So let's get started. I started out frosting a 6-inch cake dummy with vegan American buttercream. And I cleaned up the cake board. Then I piped some leaves with green buttercream with a leaf tip. Then I piped some red dots with red buttercream with a small round tip. Then I added some white shells with a star tip. Then I started out piping some drop lines with the red buttercream using the small round tip, but it immediately broke, so I used the leaf tip instead. So this is less like a drop line and more like a swag. I piped some swirls on top with white and topped each swirl with a drop of red. And I piped a poinsettia in the middle using the leaf tip. I piped some drop flowers with white and a few leaves with green. Adding holly. More swirls with more red dots on top. I love how this cake turned out. While not inherently Christmassy, the colors red, green, and white automatically make it Christmassy. So pretty. For more cakes and tutorials, visit our website at AmericanBakerInGermany.com. We're also on Facebook and Instagram. Subscribe for more cakes and hit the notification bell to be the first to know when we upload a new video.